Welcome to the Do-It-Yourself Automotive Electrical Diagnostic Intermediate course. My name is Steve Liguori. I'm a master automotive technician for over 35 years. I've worked in dealerships for over 25 years, mostly as an electrical specialist. It was my job to figure out the problems that most people couldn't fix. In my 10-plus years of teaching, I've also educated thousands of students in automotive electrical and electronics. In this course, I want to add to the foundation material from the first course and introduce some more complex schematics. Since there are so many makes and models out there today, it is impossible to explain how every system of every vehicle works. In my experience teaching over the years, I've found that the best way to develop your understanding of electrical is to demonstrate the principles in detail on a few schematics and explain how to apply these principles to any schematic. This course will focus on information circuits like switches and sensors, as well as module circuits like the body computer and the engine computer. Once you learn and practice the diagnostic process I teach in this course, you will be amazed at how spending a little time looking at the schematic can save you time, money, and aggravation. Sometimes you just need to go out to the car, verify the concern, find the proper schematic for the car, and spend a little time with it. Remember that when diagnosing electrical, you're going to work like a detective, eliminating all of the potential suspects or possibilities until there is only one left. And then that component or part of the circuit has to be guilty. Now, if you're going to repair your own car, it's going to require that you take some type of a hands-on course to make sure you have the skills and safety precautions necessary. Be careful about jumping right in and testing something on your car until you're comfortable and feel you've acquired the skills to do so. So with that said, let's get started.